friends, and today we are gonna see how to make an envelope animation in PowerPoint from scratch. So let's see. So we are gonna make this kind of animation that you can see. So we are gonna make this type of animation. So let's see. First I'll open my PowerPoint. I have a blank PowerPoint screen over here. I'll first take a circle, make it a bit darker. Then draw another square on it. Make this also like a paper kind of thing. So first now I will make some triangles over it. So first go to isolated triangles and just make it like this. Okay, this makes good. And just make this one no outline and shape fill. From the eyedropper you can take this one. You have to take that one only and change this one's outline to no outline. So I'll just copy this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I've got it. I'll put it over here, but now I'll change its color a bit to as much you want. You can change it. Can keep it over here. Okay, this will make it look good. And now just duplicate it by Ctrl D. First of all, I will add outlines to these, such as black outline. Again or you can take the outline like this also. Or I will take the outline black because it will give a nice look on it. So I'll give it here. I will move it over here and I will click rotate vertically and put it over here. So it is giving a bit look, but I can see the message from here. So now for that I will just add two more triangles over here. Rotate them a bit like this, but you can see it's not too good. So just again draw a triangle, go to rotate, flip it right 90. Yeah, its color should be eyedropper, this one, and the outline too, and just send it backward. Okay, and just Ctrl D it, flip it horizontally, move it, done, send it backwards. Okay, now we have to add the text. For that I'll just go to selection pane, hide all the triangles, and then add just a text box over here like this. So the text should be look like it's handwritten. So I will just type your text here and just then center it. Make its font. I have a nice font for you all. This is a bonus tip. So here I will choose the font name Bradley Hand. What's the Bradley Hand ITC? Just select this, make the Bradley and ITC thing over here. Increase the size. Okay, and just then select the yellow square and the text box. Ctrl G means group them, and here you can see in the selection pane it's showing group 12. If I hide this, these two will also get hide because they are the things which are grouped. So now just add the triangles and just make this beside. Okay, but don't forget to bring that above the rectangle 3 because okay, I'll show you. Delete again, hide them again, Here this one is rectangle 3 and this one is rectangle 4, means this one. So if I will take it, means if I take it downwards, it will be behind this, which we surely don't want. So I will just take this above rectangle 3 so that it will come ahead. So I will just make it place perfect. Okay. So now just animate a bit things over here. Okay, I need to adjust them now. Okay, now I will just do a thing that give animations. Here in the animations, I will give it an animation called in the more entrance effect. Here, not in the entrance, but here in the exit effects. Here in the moderate, there is a collapse thing. Here I will click OK, and we will tell that this animation should happen to top. So like this. And this should be on click, and I will open the animation pane, and here this same in the more entrance effects, here I will give it as stretch. Okay, and this stretch should happen from bottom. Done. And this should happen after previous. So just I will check this thing. So this one is a very nice thing, but here you can see if I hide this one, these two are coming over. It's not giving a look of an envelope. And here also the same. Oh no. Okay, So in the selection pane, I'll again add it. And now, first I'll delete it again. I'll take this group 12, select it, go to animations, tell them lines, motion path lines, and here say up. And now it's time to bring them front. So which one is this? I need to bring them above or in front of triangle 5, which is this one. So let's see. And this also should happen after previous. And now F5. So you can see it is happening very nice, but you can see a bit of blue margins over here. We'll just remove it and select the group or the rectangle. In the rectangle format, I will say no outline. And now let's see. So here you can see this is the perfect thing which we have made till now. So now you can just export it by click on file, save, and we all know the things. I'll just click on file, say save and all. So just leave it for the time. And how did you like today's video? If you liked it, click this like button. Do subscribe the channel, and meet you in the next video. Till then, bye. And if you want to know more PowerPoint tricks, I will tell you how to edit videos in PowerPoint. So the link is in the description. Do watch it.